Is your system showing no display, but the GPU fan is spinning? Then you are at the right place, as we have the solutions for you to fix this issue. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. We have noticed a peculiar issue where the system has no display but the GPU fan is spinning. Sometimes even the GPU's RGB lights up indicating that the device is getting powered, but the monitor just doesn't respond. In this video, we will see what to do if there is no display but the fan is spinning. Method 1. Disconnect all peripherals and cables and reconnect your monitor. Disconnect all your peripherals such as your external webcam, mic, mouse, keyboard and others, and then test to see if you are facing the same issue. If you are, detach all the cables and then plug them back in. Ensure that your monitor and computer are properly connected without any loose cables. Turn off your PC. Unplug the power cord and disconnecting the video cable from the monitor. Then reconnect them back and turn on your PC. Method 2. Replace the VGA cable. Next, replace the VGA cable connecting your monitor to the CPU. You can replace them and see if there is any problem with them. Method 3. Disconnect and reconnect the GPU power cable. There are two cables at the back of your GPU. Unplug them from the motherboard and then plug them back in. If this doesn't work for you, replace the cable and see if that helps. Method 4. Remove or replace the CMOS battery. The CMOS battery helps the BIOS or UEFI to store hardware configuration settings. It maintains the date and time when the computer is switched off. You can try disconnecting and reconnecting it, allowing it to lose its charge. If that doesn't work, you can replace the CMOS battery. Method 5. Uninstall the display driver. To uninstall the display driver, boot up your system. Remove your GPU and then plug the display directly into the motherboard. If the device boots up, follow these steps. Press Win+X and open Device Manager. Expand Monitor or Display Adapters option. Right-click on the display driver and select Uninstall Device. Check Delete Device Software for the device. Click on Uninstall again. Once the driver is uninstalled, shut down your PC and reinstate the GPU. Finally, turn the device back on. Method 6. Run the system using the integrated GPU. Remove the dedicated GPU and run the device on the integrated one to see if there is some issue with the monitor or some other component of your computer. If you can start your computer after removing the dedicated GPU, see if there is some issue with the port. You can test another GPU and then connect it to your device. If everything starts booting up, you know your GPU is at fault. So, you must visit the manufacturer and request for repair or replacement. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.